Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add stickers to your design in GetStencil. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Open a new or existing design where you like to add stickers. In GetStencil, stickers aren't a separate feature, but you can use icons and decorative elements like stickers. Click on the Icons tab on the left sidebar. The icon library includes a variety of images that work well as stickers. Use the search bar within the Icon tab to find images that resemble stickers. Try searching for terms like decorative or a specific item like stars, emoji, or pen. Browse through the result and choose icons that have a sticker-like appearance. Click on the icon to add it to your canvas. Resize the icon by clicking and dragging the corners to make it larger or smaller. To reposition the icon, drag it by your desired location on the design. Use multiple stickers for a fun layered effect. Place them near text or image to highlight key parts of your design. Consider combining stickers with shape or text for a cohesive look. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on Save to save your work. After that, download your design by clicking on Download to export it to your preferred format. Although GetStencil doesn't have a dedicated stickers tool, using icons creatively can add a sticker-like vibe to your design. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.